Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're going back to basics on what is metallic epoxy for those who are completely clueless about it but I've heard of it before and would like to explore a little bit more on the upcoming renovations and the various applications we can do for you.
I believe most of you have seen or experienced some form of epoxy, knowingly or unknowingly, in your daily lives. So very common ones you see are those in car parks, hospitals, residential lobbies, and even those epoxy that is actually painted on steel as well. The main reason epoxy is used in such high traffic areas is due to the fact of its resistance to chemical stains and durability as compared to having a raw cement finish. There are different types of epoxy categories in the market. We have the industrial epoxy, the epoxy flakes, but today we're going to focus on metallic epoxy, which would be the highest grade of epoxy you would want to invest in for your home or areas of business. Metallic epoxy is a resin-based material. When mixed with a precise amount of hardener, it will form a hard surface after it cures. So unlike general epoxy, we are able to create numerous colors and design concepts from our color pigments, and most importantly, from our skilled artists as well.
We have been in this industry for about 6 years with over 2,000 over projects, and we came about with this idea because at a point of time we realized that many Singaporeans were facing many issues with their conventional materials, right? So the solution given to them was either to hack off the existing surface and really a new one, which is actually very time consuming and troublesome, and the second option was to overlay with general epoxy. So general epoxy is actually pretty mundane, and there was hardly any improvement in benefits as compared to just staying with the old conventional materials. There are many contractors out there who does metallic epoxy as well. However, not all of them are experienced enough to get the job done properly. So it requires a lot of training, a lot of experience and high quality epoxy to get the finishes you see in our video. So always remember to vet through the profiles of the contractor and look out for any red flags, especially if the project is priced surprisingly low. So you don't actually have to deal with any metallic epoxy nightmares, which is going to be very costly to rectify. As our metallic epoxy is a chemical-based product, some of you may question how safe is it when it comes to fumes or food handling. Well, our metallic epoxy has little to no VOC and has been declared safe and toxic-free by the FDA. So if you were to drop food items on the surface itself, you don't have to worry about falling sick when you consume them. Correct, Kalia? Can I have one? Can I have one? Thank you. We wanted to give Singaporeans the option to express themselves through their own space with colors and unique individual designs without the need to demolish anything, with a touch of luxury to it. So here we are.